much of our happiness in life depends on healthy relationships. Positive communication is the foundation for building trust, resolving the conflicts, and experiencing the support and connection we all crave. How can those positive thinking skills we have developed translate to how we interact? The positive communication ripple effect. Our outlook and communication styles significantly impact those around us. When we approach interactions with a positive mindset, we are more likely to build stronger bonds. Actively listening, seeking common ground, and showing appreciation actually creates deeper connections. It improves your problem-solving skills. A calm approach focused on the solutions rather than blames makes addressing issues much smoother, creates a supportive environment. Encouragement and recognition of others' strengths fosters a positive, feel-good atmosphere. Reduces conflict. Even when disagreeing, we can do so respectfully, prioritizing understanding over being just right. Key positive communication habits. Let's make this practical. Here are some tips to practice. Active listening. Truly be present when someone's speaking. Reflect back the ultimate key points, ask clarifying questions, and avoid interrupting. Seek to understand. When conflict arises, try to see it from other person's perspective as well, how the situation is impacting them. I statements. Instead of blaming, expressing your feelings and needs. I feel overwhelmed when dishes pile up, instead of you never do the dishes. The appreciation sandwich. Even when giving constructive criticism, start and end with something positive. This softens the feedback and makes it easier to hear for the other person on the table. Be solution oriented. When there is a problem, focus on what can we do about this rather than just listing down all the complaints. Manage expectations. Be clear and upfront about what you can do and can't give. Avoid misunderstandings and resentment. Assignment. The communication challenge. Pick one of the skills above we just discussed and commit to consciously using it at least for a week. Notice, how does it change your own mood when resolving an issue? Does it actually shift the other person's reaction? And if yes, then how? Does practicing this skill get easier over time? Caveats and reminders. You can't control the other person. Even with great communication, sometimes people may remain negative or unresponsive. Boundaries are vital. Positive communication doesn't mean being a doormat. It's okay to say no and distance yourself from toxic relationships. Self-care matters. If you're emotionally drained, depleted, or stressed out, your communication skills suffer. Take care of yourself at first.